Hello and welcome to Catering One. We are so excited that you are here and you have taken another culinary class at Leiden. So you are coming to us from Culinary Basics, Pastry, Cuisine. All of those prerequisites let you take Catering One. If you haven't taken Pastry or Cuisine, you're probably taking it at the same time as taking Catering One, which is absolutely fine. So Catering One looks a little different this year, obviously because we are remote, but that's fine. We are still doing so many fun activities. So this is just a little course overview to introduce you to what we're doing. So this is an advanced culinary class. It's one of the highest level classes we have. The next one is Catering 2, which is if you are a junior, you can take your senior year. And this is a year-long class, so we will see you again in January when we start quarter 3. But this is an advanced class that prepares you to cater in-school events. So our main objective is to cater in-school events. Obviously, that looks different from being home. So we have we're still preparing you for events in the when we do return to school. We will be catering. It will look a little different this year, but we will be catering. It will be a challenge, but we'll make it work like we always do. And then when you're home, we're just teaching you about different culinary techniques and how they apply to catering and things like that. So you will be designing menus, planning and preparing for service events, and then you will be practicing different skills. We're trying to give you as much of a hands-on experience as we can in this virtual environment. So we have designed modules that you will work your way through with the direction of your teacher. So the first one is safety and sanitation, and you will be earning certification. So you will be earning your food handler license, and Leiden pays for it, which is absolutely awesome. So you will be doing that from home in the next couple of weeks, and then we will prepare you for different types of Leiden catering events. We will introduce you to careers in hospitality, and then we will spend some time on advanced plate presentation. All right. Some of our learning outcomes, we have 4. You will be exploring advanced culinary techniques. So we have live demos, and we have some pre-recorded demos, and then we have lab opportunities that you can partake in at your house. Or if you cannot do them, we have alternative assignments that would meet the same objective. You will be identifying and providing for a variety of catering events at Leiden. Again, we hope we will teach you the fundamentals of that. And then when we do return in person, we'll be able to do the hands-on part. And then you will be exploring different culinary hospitality careers and practicing advanced plate presentation. So you have the introduction part in Culinary Basics. And then we're just going to go a little more in detail. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.